Hey guys, it's been days. I haven't made that yapping session for a while, and we're gonna talk a lot today. So first of all, we're gonna have bread jam and some chocky chocky. I know it's too much sugary, but we already had our lunch, and this is our snacks. And we are learning Photoshop, and I'm taking care of this glass bottle from last 2 days, and it's my second day that it's still in one piece with me. This is my first time handling such delicate stuff, and I really hope so it stay with me for at least for a long period of time. So I came down from a building, and I remember that I need to buy jam, and I don't have a spoon, so uncle gave me this ice cream spoon. And today we watched a movie named Suffer. Suffer. Okay,
So not described so many things to Sir which was not right about the movie.
I
He
don't.
highlighted several facts as the actors were not acting well for some extent, to some extent, at several points in the movie.
What I think, we nowadays we are accessible to so many content that
We
everything
judge.
become predictable.
Okay.
So I was thinking like it's gonna be very new. We're gonna be shocked. We're gonna get emotional due to that movie. There was some twist in it, but it was predictable for almost everyone.
And it was
Thank you,
close to
Anju.
Sir's
Thank you.
heart, that's why Sir couldn't
Yeah.
digest the fact.
Maybe some of the sir's previous ex students worked in that movie behind the camera, behind the screen.
Maybe he associated that emotion.
Yeah. So this was the real
But
problem, I
being a
think.
person who has seen so many deaths, I don't think even I could associate with that emotion.
Sir being a millennial and we being a Gen Z, almost Gen Z
Nay,
generation.
if we are talking about that fact, then also the acting was not good. The acting was actually quite
I'm
Gen
not
Z.
talking about the acting part right now. The cinematography was good, the dialogues were good, the scripting was good, the storyboard was good, everything was good. But the thing was that it was predictable. It was, though it was a short movie, and we were just watching for fun. It's a classic movie. It's a low budget movie. They still have done a great job, but still, Sir was expecting us to be shocked and emotional from that movie, but it was predictable. The second thing it might be lacking. I think when we make a low budget movie or something like that, we almost shoot it in a same similar way, which is different or alter from no which is different from the professional way of making films, which is a void. There's a void or maybe a space between scenes, dialogues, music, or anything like that, which shows or which shouts that yeah, I am a low budget movie. So that was a problem. And today I learned that Washington is the capital of America. I didn't know that. In my English lecture I learned this. And that Statue of Liberty was gifted by France to America. And wait, don't do this right now. Let me show.
Okay, just spread the jam.
I'm gonna just remove the first scoop, and after
I
that
got
you
my
can
finger
apply.
cut, I guess.
How?
Oh my god, it was that sharp.
Yeah,
This
you
thing.
need to be very careful. I know that thing
This
is very
thing, this
always sharp.
thing.
No, I need to. I have to brought some.
Oh, you have this now. You were talking about this now.
You also have this. You can also try. Now, okay.
Don't do
Now
that, don't do
I'm
that.
no. I'm doing this. I'm trying. It's a low effort thing, guys. Don't think I'm. What we say? Misery, maybe. What's the word for conjuice? I'm not conjuice. It's just a low effort thing when you apply this at one side. Okay, we can apply. Okay. Do you know why English become universal?
Why?
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 Why English become
Why?
universal? You don't know that? Nishaman told us this.
It was because of the colonialism. that Britishers were the majority of people at that time
उन्हें बहुत
existing.
शौक था दूसरी कंट्रियों में जाके लोगों पे कब्जा करने का, जिसकी वजह से
So
वो
since there was a
इन्होंने
majority of people speaking that language, people had to adapt and change through that language and speak that language. It was for me.
Okay, I'll make a new one for you.